Hello, it's Laura here with USATuff, and I am here to help walk you through the process of getting your new custom SeaDek Cooler Pad. Before I set up your quote, I want to touch base on how the CNC process works. Cooler pads are not printed. They are created on a CNC table using fast spinning bits to carve down into the SeaDek to create your design. There are limits to how detailed we can get depending on the size of your cooler pad. For every project we quote, we take this into consideration and provide suggestions to ensure your project comes out to the highest quality standards. Next, let's talk about your design. Vector or line style art is always the best to work with. Here is an example of artwork that will not work for a cooler pad. And here is an example of artwork that will. Won't work. Will work. Not so good. Perfect. No go. And good to go.
Here is an example of an image that has too much detail, but that we were able to make some small changes so that it could work for a custom SeaDek cooler pad. Here is what the pad looked like after we made the changes. Here's an example of the stock colors that you have to choose from for your project. We also can order custom colors, which do take quite a bit longer. Now that you understand how the CNC process works, I'll show you some of the jobs we've recently completed. Now that you have watched this video, you should have a better understanding of what will work best for your custom SeaDek cooler pad. We look forward to working with you on your next project. As always, do not hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have. Thank you again for choosing USATuff.